Hello guys, in this video I am going to show you how to check in on the Thai Airways application. But first I just want to mention, don't forget to subscribe to my channel because at 10,000 subscribers I am going to show you my whole YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy, how to make money online. Now let's jump into it. First of all, open the app on your phone. After that you should tap on the More button in the right side corner of the screen. After that, tap on the first button, which is check-in at the top. Then you can search by two options, either the booking reference or the ticket number. If you tap on the booking reference button, you should type in the booking reference number or code. And after that, you should type in your last name. Then click on the check-in button and you will be able to find your booking. After that, you can also search by the ticket number that you should type in, and then your last name again, and click on the check-in button down below, and you will be able to check in by this by these details, adding these details. So that's pretty much it for this video, guys. See you in the next one. Bye bye.